Let's move on to the second material. Unhide the second sphere and assign a vray material to it. Name the material water. The water material pretty much follows the same formula as glass. Make the diffuse color black, make the reflections and refraction colors white, and increase the reflection glossiness to the max. There's so many R's in that statement, Charlie. I almost didn't make it. Anyway, the difference with the water material is that you have to change the refraction IOR to 1.333333333333, which is the refractive index of water. You can turn on affect shadows for both glass and water depending on what you're going for. We don't really need that right now. We will in the future, but not now. I know that the material right now looks identical to glass, but trust me, it's water. We'll get to apply this when we start rendering actual projects eventually, I promise. Anyway, if you want to create a colored liquid like red wine, use a water material and just play around with the full color. Do not change the diffuse color to red, otherwise you just end up with an ugly looking budget wine. So I sort of lied to you at the beginning of this video. We'll be doing 5 materials instead of 4. I've betrayed your trust, but what are you going to do about it then? I'm in my house, come and beat me. Anyway, unhide the glass sphere and duplicate it. Create a new vray material for the duplicates and name it frosted glass. Create a basic glass material for the sphere like we just learned. A little assignment for you all. When you are done, this time scroll to the refraction section and reduce the glossiness to about half. Do the same for the reflection glossiness, and you've just created frosted glass. Rename the sphere.